Hello there, I'm Dr. Amit Parik, and today I'm thrilled to present you a game changer solution that is redefining how you create your own and your client's website from now onwards. It doesn't create just another website. You can create beautiful website that loads fast on every device, that is ADA and GDPR law compliant, as well as convert every visitor into leads and sales for you. Alright, so once you logged into a sleek dashboard, a world of possibilities unfolds here. Before we dive in deeper, let me give you an overview of the dashboard here. Here at the top, you see business management section where you can view all your businesses, your client businesses, or you can add a new business here really quick. Let's create a new business for you to explain. Alright, pick a name and get ready as Webilo set up everything for you. In just a few seconds, your easy to use dashboard will be go to live. Now let's explore the left menu. In the left menu, you can see website section where you can create your websites, lead pages where you can create and manage lead pages to generate more leads for yourself and clients. And then digital business cards where you can create beautiful business cards for any niche you want. ADA generator who is making your website ADA ready. Email autoresponders where you can schedule unlimited emails for yourself or your clients. A/B testing is where you can check which page and emails are converting better and which is not converting for you. Audiences analytics where you can check your visitors and campaigns data. Now next you can click on this three dots more option where you can see GDPR, legal policies and integrations feature. And then you can come to the settings part where you can fine-tune Webilo to suit your exact needs, what you want from Webilo. And now come to the right top corner, you see you can manage your profile, update your password, oversee both of your workspaces and clients workspaces, subscription management, as well as the video tutorials here. Alright, so this is a centralized hub that puts everything in just one place at your fingertip. So you can manage entire Webilo here. Now let's dig deeper on each and every feature of Webilo. So I'm coming on this website part. One more thing which is important, whenever you create new business with the Webilo, it is going to create a website for you with a subdomain, with a free hosting, with a website theme to save tons of your time. This website is beautiful as well as GDPR and ADA compliant that you can use for your business after a little optimization. All right, this website is going to help you collect more leads, sell your products, services, coachings and more, and even you can promote affiliate offers as an affiliate. So to customize website further or edit the pages, you just come to here, just go to the website pages section. For example, I'm choosing contact us page or terms and condition page. All these pages are accessible here. You can easily edit them or create new pages here. Alright, now let's customize your website using the free flow drag and drop editor. Whatever you see here, which you are going to get the same. So it's so easy to edit anything. Now you can explore the possibilities. You can capture leads, convert visitors into buyers, add opt-in forms, incorporate even videos inside the pages. You can schedule events and much more you can do with the editor. After fine-tuning everything you are liking, as you like, simply hit the publish button and voila, your website is ready to roll. Now we also offer a landing page builder. Along with website, Webilo is giving you opportunity to create the landing pages, separate landing pages for your clients to generate leads. That lets you create stunning pages, right? Here you can see these all are standalone pages, which is, yes, these are connected to your website as well as working standalone separately with your website. So it is giving you both the functionalities, both the opportunities. If you want to create a new landing page, just hit on the create new page button and give your name. Let's say I'm giving it Marvelous bonus page. Now you can see, choose from the available templates. We have hundreds of templates to choose from, right? Or you just start from the scratch. Take a look at variety of templates available in the library. All of them are beautiful, stunning and ready to go. Just choose one and go ahead. All right. So choose one and begin working with it. You will access the page builder we have already seen in the previously. All right. So here is an example of a beautiful page template that comes with Webilo. Wow, it's stunning design, right? You can easily personalize them with your own content. You can customize for your goal, let's say lead generation goal or sales goal, add forms, videos, and then publish the page. Now let me show you something that is coming with the Webilo that I haven't revealed yet. You can create beautiful digital business cards for local business and charge them up to $500 to $1,000 as well. So eye-catchy, ready-to-go business card templates you are getting here. All business card templates are ready to go, mobile optimized, elegant, and almost all type of marketing campaigns to get everything max. With these templates, you get maximum attentions, maximum leads, maximum sales, and more importantly, maximum profits for you and your clients. All right. So additionally, you can collect the leads as well as you can manage the leads with the power of emails. You can send emails within Webilo as well. Just click on the new email, give your broadcaster name. Let me give a name, let's say pre-launch emails. Click on the create and you are done. You can choose from various templates to work with or start a blank email. There are numerous templates available to choose from. Let's say we choose this one. It opens the new email builder for you. Now you can start designing your emails. This is an advanced email builder, but you can also go with your text email builder. If you like, just type in text and send. Inside there are spam checker. You can preview options, preview this email as well with preview option. When you click on the next button, you have the option to send emails now, as well as you can schedule it for later dates. On this page, you can choose the contacts from your Webilo account. Once you have selected your contact list or tags, click the next here. You will find sending options such as subject name, from email ID, reply address, as well as SMTP options, and the ability to schedule the emails. You can send it immediately and choose for the specific date and time. Okay, so it's so easy. Under the more options, you will find GDPR and legal policy features, which is important to make yourself compliant for legal laws. Also, you can integrate Webilo with your favorite 20 plus tools to automate your marketing 100%. Webilo offers a range of options here. You can you can set up your profile, custom domain, connect the custom domains, third-party analytics you can integrate here, homepage configuration where you can make any page your homepage. You can set up your branding. You can show your logo everywhere. You can customize the color and theme, everything, and cookies consent here. There are much more options which I am not able to show in this short video because it's a short demo video for you. So hopefully you like the demo and the amazing features which Webilo is presenting you today. So thank you for watching. See you inside the members area. Bye bye.